John Mwaniki issued death threats to me. He stated that he is ready to resign his deputy governor position and take me to the grave. I want to tell him death comes once. And I want to tell him that he should not, I do not fear death. And I only know it is God who gives and takes life away. He has threatened to take my life and that of my supporters and members of staff. And he is using some criminal elements within this county and especially in Nanyuki town to intimidate and threaten people who question him of his character. I urge the government agencies led by the County Commissioner of Laikipia to investigate these death threats and investigate with all the forces that it deserves. And so that this is going to become a lesson not only to him, but to any politician who think they can intimidate and threaten any politician or any leader or any Kenyan to take them to the grave. And I want to state again, in case of any harm caused on myself or any member of my family or any member of my staff or any of my supporters, I want the Deputy Governor of Laikipia, John Mwaniki, to know that he will be held liable and really liable, him and his people, against the lives of myself and those of my people. I swear that I will defend the Constitution and the rights of the people of Laikipia without fear or favor. If it means death, then I'm ready to be the first woman martyr in Laikipia. If I'm going to die because of asking pertinent questions to the government, I invite the Deputy Governor of Laikipia then to dare his threats. Now that he said he does not make empty threats.